Hey everybody, welcome back. I've got a HMV C13B tabletop, I guess, or close enough too. That's reasonably large. I'm waffling. And 1949 to 1950. And this one, again, great condition, been looked after quite well. No cracks, no chips, no nothing. And what do we got? So, volume with an on-off switch. What's that? No, tuner. That would be the band selector there. Yep. And tone control. I guess. It's just the switch. Never mind. We'll find out. Have a look at the back. And yeah, got the original backing board on it. Nice condition too. So, let's get this thing out. I'll take this off. See what we're dealing with here. You know, always wondering, has it been gotten to by other people? As long as they've done a good job or put it back together right, that's great. Not a problem. And one more. Good measure. And there we go. Put this away. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 valve, yeah, 6J8, 6U7, 6B6, 6B6, and it should be a 5Y3. Yeah, it is too. Alright, I'll get this out of the case and we'll have a look underneath. Okay, I'm ready. Let's extract it. Power cord's in the way, as always. Right, put that on my lap. Interior is quite nice too. Alright, what are we looking at here? Yep, supposed to be a choke in this. So is that it there? I think so, and the output transformer is probably underneath it. Oh yeah. What have we got here? Oh yeah. That's real good. Oh, well, somebody has been at it. Oh, well, as long as they've attached it the right way, let it hang. No, I think that's the, I don't know. Trying to work out if that's the output transformer, blue and red wire on it, but it could be the choke. No, that's the output transformer, yeah. I can see the other two wires on the bottom of it. Well, essentially, untouched. So, a lot of good stuff in there, and we'll replace pretty much most of it anyway. And oh, I see, yeah, 2 cap cans. Hold on, what is that? 16 microfarad, yeah. And we have a, you can see, you're looking right at the cap cans there. So they're still in situ, they're connected. What's that connected to? Anyway, we'll sort that out and find out what the hell's going on here. Alright, I'll get some power to it and we'll run our tests. Okay, after much confusion, and I'm easily confused, as you might well know, I'm looking at these 2 cans and I'm thinking they're both 16s and you know, what's this thing doing here? And I thought, oh, he's just added it in, which is a reasonable assumption to make. People often do that. So I started checking them against the choke, and I found what goes on. And, well, I was mistaken. I mean, that is a cap can, sure, certainly. But it's a cathode bypass. There you go. So... Oh boy, that took me about 15 minutes to try to work it out, and eventually I thought, hold on, let me look at the cap can, and yep, 25 microfarad at 40 volts. So I'm going to get ready with some power, and then we will see what we get out of this thing. Okay, I'm all set up, and we'll just monitor the DC voltage and see what happens. Best if I turn the variac on. Come on baby, do something. Just don't blow up. Looking good. Current limit is fine. I'll take it up to 200 volts. It's alive. Oh man, it just works. Wow, another one, an easy one. Well, I showed this video or not, I mean, you know, it works. It's going to keep working. Well, I'll persevere. You never know, something may go horribly wrong during the restoration. Restoration, my ass. It's just simply change the caps and whatever resistors we need to. But anyway, I'll do that. I'll change the main filter caps and see if we can improve that signal. Well, the HMV is all finished, recapped, resistors changed, and it's doing really well. Again, this was just an easy one, guys, and
what you might call homemade things by the look of it, like a tube that had been split in half.
Sounds all right.
About 4 centimetres in length,
and the tone
folded and clamped onto the.
What's happened there? That's the tone control. It just every time you move it, the dial knob moves as well.
Body of people who are wondering about it. But the first thing that you...
We're allowed an easy one, especially after that bloody beehive I did. So, anyway, not much to show, but anyway, an easy restoration and another radio that's working again and will hopefully continue to work for many years. So, thank you guys. I'll be back with something else, another radio of course, and it might provide some more challenges. Never know, hope so. Alright, take care everyone, see you soon, bye.